Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies around the globe today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the second day of May in the year 2025, our system has identified Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.55. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.49%. This corresponds to an average return of 0.25% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 38.75% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between 26.71% and 81.16%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 119.58%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 75.72% to 406.46% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price within the range of $19.89 to $57.33. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing features the headline, Green Day on Monday for Rigetti Computing Inc. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, the stock price of Rigetti Computing Inc. increased by 0.355%, climbing from $11.28 to $11.32. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 6.4%, with a low of $11.10 and a high of $11.81. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 instances, resulting in an overall decline of 19.26%. Notably, trading volume rose alongside the price on the last day, indicating a positive technical sign, with 5 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 43 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $486.41 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock reached $21.42, while the lowest price was 66 cents. Currently, the stock price is 47.15%, or $10.10, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which stands as the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, or RGTI, continues to create buzz in the quantum computing sector following a remarkable stock surge of over 1,080% in the past year. Recent developments highlight a $35 million deal with Quanta to enhance its quantum computing capabilities. This strategic move is expected to drive real-world deployment and bolster its commercial viability. As investor interest grows, notable discussions are emerging around the potential wealth creation from quantum technologies, positioning RGTI to benefit significantly. Currently, quantum computing stocks are gaining traction, even eclipsing artificial intelligence in appeal as market focus intensifies on this transformative technology. Although the overall market has faced challenges, quantum computing has emerged largely unscathed, showcasing its resilience and potential for growth. In the short term, these developments could lead to increased investor confidence and further stock price appreciation as new milestones are achieved. However, volatility remains a factor. As excitement fluctuates, prices may experience swings. For the long term, RGTI's proactive strategies, including strategic partnerships and technological advancements, position it favorably as a leader in a rapidly evolving industry, potentially yielding substantial returns for investors who enter now. This momentum not only reflects a promising outlook, but also underscores the importance of innovation in achieving sustained growth. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, B. Riley also rated RGTI with a buy grade and a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, Craig Hallam reported giving RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Needham awarded RGTI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, B. Riley once again gave RGTI a buy grade, this time with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio has also been rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio follows suit with a rating of strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts continue to rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average exceeds the long-term average, the overall indication for the stock is a buy, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $11.67. If there is a decline, support will likely be found from the long-term average around $10.95. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Notably, trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 20.23%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 161 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 9 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 28 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 30 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average shows a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 20 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 12 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $11.22. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Given the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.71 between its high and low, or 6.4%. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 7.35%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -6 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing stands at $11.64. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $11.22. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 21st of May, 2025, Rivas David conducted an insider sell of 44,815 shares of common stock. On the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh conducted an insider buy of 1 million shares of common stock. On the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh conducted an insider sell of 1 million shares of employee stock options, which is the right to buy. On the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh conducted an insider sell of 1 million shares of common stock. On the 19th of May, 2025, Burleson Jeffrey A. conducted an insider buy of 218,750 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 20.096. Overall, insiders purchased 8,413,781 shares and sold 7,645,588 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.63, reflecting a decline of 6.08%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable likelihood that Rigetti Computing Inc. stock will perform well in the short term. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 10th of June, we anticipate Rigetti Computing to open higher by 9 cents, starting at $11.41. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.